Hi, I'm Chad Hendricks, president of Experienced Associates. There's been a lot of news about the United States and South Africa. And first, I just want to say that the executive order does not directly affect the immigration process we use with employment-based visas. So, yesterday, February 10th, there was a new executive order from Donald Trump that because of the Expropriation Act, which includes this language of taking land without compensation, and the idea that South Africa has taken positions against the US and Israel, that the United States is going to stop providing aid or assistance to South Africa, and that the US is going to promote this resettlement of people that can be refugees. And those are people that have been affected by government sponsored race based discrimination, including property confiscation. That's the wording in the executive order. So there is one important line in the executive order, which is this: this order shall be implemented consistent with applicable law, meaning it's recognizing the existing law. So there's no changes to our immigration program or what that means. So once again, we have an executive order that a lot of people are wondering, does it affect anything? And it doesn't. Remember that we have employment-based visas, which really haven't been affected even in the 2020 years when there was COVID and everything else going on. So this is establishing a different category for refugee status based on property confiscation and most likely the whites in South Africa because it's supposed to be the minority. So the process of claiming that and providing evidence by someone to claim they're a refugee to come to the United States, there's no implication of what that says in the executive order. So at this point, please don't have concerns about your immigration process. Right. The executive order does have some potential economic impact for South Africa, as the AGOA, the African Growth and Opportunity Act, which is basically it allows trade between the U.S. and South Africa on a lot of goods to be tariff free. The act expires in September, and so there's a high chance of that not continuing as the administration's position on tariffs has gone up, and specifically with South Africa. So we're going to continue to monitor the situation. We'll inform you of any changes to immigration because we're committed to helping you to get to the United States. And I'm so excited to meet you when you finally arrive.